dedicate this to one of the greatest inspirations of my life, Michael Jackson, the king of pop.
Good evening to all. How are you all, man? I hope you all are fine. Today, I'm here with a dance tutorial of Michael Jackson from Dangerous Dance. This is one of my favorite moves. And for easy understanding, I have divided this move into 3 parts. Now here's the first part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up to till here, first part comes. Starting with it. Microphones. 1. Okay. Hit harder here. Ah. Imagine you're hitting a wall and both should come in a single line. Looks beautiful. Okay. Head should be front and right leg here. 1 and back again. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, nothing. 2, 3. What do with hands? 2, 3. Same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forehead straight up. Right hand like this. Right leg a little bit bent. Left hand. 4, 5, 6, 7. Nothing like this. 5, 6. The legs. 5, 6. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Bend downwards on your toes. Focus. 7, 8. Here's part 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Since I can't mirror this video for you, I am going to do the same on the opposite side. Please check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here completes part 1. Here's part 2. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Completes part 2. Starting with it. Here comes part 1 ending. 7, 8. You should continue like that only. 7, 8, 9. Okay. Look there, straight towards the audience only. Right hand like this. Left hand here. Not too much long like this. Back. This much is. And what to do about this leg? Right leg. A bit front you should put. Not straight, but front. Right here. Yes. Start up with the count 1 for part 2 again. 1. Let's change this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Just like toe. 2, 3. 2, 3. We can do, make it more complicated with this. More stylish. 2, 3. Just 3 hands. 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. Head. Along with your body. Back. 4. For the 5. Hit yourself and hand should come like this. Swinging. It's a beautiful momentum and motion. Check how Mamaji does it. It's wonderful. 1, 2, 3. Like this. 5. It's 5th count. Right leg like this. 5. And 6, 7, 8 comes like this. 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 5 should come like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nothing to do. 9. Here's the part 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here completes part 2. So, yeah, here with part 3. Come on, I'll show part 3 for you now. Yeah. Pa, 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 pa. 4 times it is. Here's part 3. I can't do it. Just watch it how it happens. Ta. Right hand downwards, left hand above. Don't bend too much towards the right, like here. Again back. That's it. And then after here only. Straight, it should be straight. He does it very fast. You practice many times. Very well for it. Okay? This. Along, don't only move your hand, move your body too. Don't only hand. Tap, tap, tap. Very fast you should do. And then tap. Turn your hand like here. You can do it near your head only like this. And legs should come towards your position. Okay? Soon after it comes towards your position, do it left leg like this. Pa, ta, claw, back. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ta, 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 ta. 4 times. I think same. You can make it more stylish with your hands, as I said it earlier. It's easy, I hope so. And here comes part 3. Just for the count. 4. Pa, 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 pa. And I was dancing to a dance show that happened in my town on January 2020. Few people laughed at me doing this step. Pa, 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 pa. Some others advised me not to use such bad signs in the public. And so, in a Western culture, it doesn't matter, but in Eastern culture, in well-cultured nation like India, it means a lot. And please, if you are from any Eastern culture country, don't use such signs. Change it. Actually, I tried something new. I tried to move on. Just watch it. What all I found. Alternative way of doing that move. Pa, 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 pa. Instead of doing this, you can moonwalk, or you can do this. Pa, 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 pa. And it's up to your creativity. I don't want to restrict you anyway. Great. And further, I'm thankful to you all for 100 subscribers. And further tips I can give, just practice this move many times. You know how fast Michael does it. You saw it in the duet also. And you need to practice it very well. And next thing is that if there is any complaints, inquiries regarding this, please do comment below, and please do follow me on Instagram. I'll be posting my ID in description just to follow me. And further, Just keep microing.